Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Ford Fiesta. So from any screen, that's the home screen there. If you click the house up at the top there, and then you've got audio, phone, mobile apps and settings. You don't want the phone. What you need is settings. Click on settings, and then you go to Bluetooth. You find Bluetooth, the Bluetooth symbol. Bluetooth, add a Bluetooth device, view devices. So we click on view devices, and there you go. You see Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. That's the one I want to delete. So we click on that, and you see connect phone, connect media, make favorite or delete, and we want to delete. Yes. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Fiesta. It's 2018. So we go to settings, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then from any screen, if you just go to click the home, you've got phone here. We're going to be watching out at the bottom, so we click on phone, pair phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Ford Fiesta at the bottom there, so we select that.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
371108, yes. So click pair, yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Automatic contact download, so we'll just click finish there. It says it's unable to download, but I've got it switched off here, so that's it. That's how you do it. Now the great thing with this system is, although it doesn't have sat-nav, if you've got a phone and a connection cable, we just plug that in there. You see, plug it into the USB. Oop. There you go, and it should come up. Ask me for CarPlay. It's telling me, look at that. I mean, how good is that? It's low on fuel. It's suggesting to navigate me to low fuel, fine fuel station. So that's Sainsbury's, BP and Esso. But anyway, so this system, navigate to Grosvenor Garage.
Getting directions to Grosvenor Garage.
There you go, Grosvenor Garage. Click go.
Route to Grosvenor Garage. Use the left lane to take exit 31 onto A59 towards Preston Central.
So there you go, that's a lot better. It's a lot better than having a system that goes out of date in a couple of years, or you have to buy a new SD card every year, which is £100 about.
Take the exit
And download it.
onto A59 towards Preston. Use the left lane to keep left onto A59 towards Preston.
Okay, I'll also just show you how to stream via Bluetooth. If you go to your music, and you'll see there at the bottom there, if we click on that, it's just got phone there. So we'll click on audio. We'll go to sources. We want Bluetooth audio. Click on Bluetooth. No Bluetooth device connected. Select a device, yes. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro now. Just watch there. If I do that, connect phone and media. There you go, it's come up. So it's showing Ford Fiesta. So there's a tick next to it. Now anything I play on my phone, if you've got this set up right, it will play through there. So we'll click play on there.
Over 20.
Right, we'll just go back. Audio, sources, Barry's iPhone. So that's it. So as you can see, as tears go by, Marianne Faithful. As tears go by, Marianne Faithful. And when I turn this up, there you go, that's how to stream audio. Thanks for watching. It mirrors your phone. So you see there, phone, music, If we go to music, we can play whatever we want to do. Just turn that up. So you can play your music, any audio books. We'll just go to the screen there, audio book there. Any audio books you want to listen to. Messages, you can send texts.
Would you like me to compose a new message or make a call?
New message.
Who do you want to send it to?
Gordon.
What do you want to say?
Testing a car, no need to reply.
Your WhatsApp message to Gordon says testing a car, no need to reply. Ready to send it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
That's it. So you can send texts legally while you're driving. There you go, you've got Amazon Music. Oh, right, you have to sign into mobile, so I'll not do that. Google Maps, and then there's all your settings, Spotify. So it's a really good system. But the certainly the best thing is that you can use the sat nav on your phone. It's constantly updated. You don't have to pay for a new SD card every 12 months when the maps are updated, or they put new roads on and so on. And it's right up to date. And as you saw on the test drive, it even warned me not to go the way I was going, but of course I knew better. So thanks for watching.